Welcome to Cash's Crafts. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the decorate your light switch. What you're going to need is two sizes of tape. One is about 1 inch wide and one is just like regular tape. First you're going to be needing to measure out how much from one side of your light switch to the other. Then, once you've got that figure out, you're going to mark it and cut it. Next, you're going to put it on your light switch. Then if there's any extra on the top, we're just going to cut that off. Then you're going to measure out the top of your light switch. Then you're going to cut it where you measured it out. And you're going to put it on where you measured it out on. Then put one on the other side, so you're going to need to measure it out again. And then you're going to cut it where you measured it out. And then put it on your light switch. And then what you're going to do with the other side of the tape when you're done is you're going to measure out how long the switch is. And you're gonna cut that where you measured it out. Then you're gonna place it on to the light switch. And if you got any extra, just cut that off. And then you are done with your light switch.